So today we're doing the Nerf gun battle. We have Hunter and we have me. Now it's gonna be very hard. Now, are you ready?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go hide right here. You ready now?
Sure. 3, 2.
Wait, no! Don't shoot the cam. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Please don't hit the camera. Oh my god. Oh. Ah! Oh! Oh my god. Firing.
Out ammo.
Oh! Ah!
Oh.
Ah! 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 Stop!
Ammo after.
Oh! 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 Don't shoot!
Oh, you got so scared. Wasn't that fun?
No!
Or you got shot millions of times.
Ow. It's because you're hiding over there. Stop! Don't start. Stop! I said don't start. You need to get out, Hunter.
I am out, bro.
No, you're not. I can't see you.
It says Santa.
Ow.
Fine, Henry, don't shoot me. I'm moving Santa.
No, give me Santa.
I can't hear you.
Give me No, actually, give me Santa. Give me Santa.
Why do you want Santa?
I need him for protection.
At least I have all these bullets.
I don't care. Ow. Oh no, the camera. Sorry about that, y'all. Remember to like and subscribe. Wait, I'm not ready. He's coming. What the? Remember to like and subscribe, and hopefully I don't die. Please get out of the opening. Come in the opening, sir. I'm right in the opening.
I am too.
I'm in the middle. Santa, thank you.
Dang it!
I didn't have a ball. Might have hit the cam. Please just get your body out of the opening. Get your body out of the opening, sir. I don't care.
And now he's gonna get me.
No, I don't want to hit your head. You hit mine.
Ooh, yeah.
Wait.
Oh, give me a sniper rifle.
Oh, you have a sniper.
I don't have any guns.
Oh my. Where is he?
I'm in the open.
Independent channel, my name's Henry. Oh my god. That's cool.
Where's the scope?
Oh my god, this gun. Wait. Come, I need my next gun. I need my next gun.
You need what?
My next gun. Nice. This is gonna be the big baby, yeah.
Sure.
Oh my god. Actually, you can't. I'm not in. I need my Santa Claus. You can't. Stop, do not aim for my... stop aiming. Hunter, you're hitting me because I'm right in the opening. You need to get out of the opening.
I am in the opening, bro.
No, you're not. You're right. You're hiding behind a thing.
Sniper rifle don't use opening.
Stop.
Oh, dang it.
Let's go.
I'm lost on my gun. You can keep trying to shoot at me, but it's gonna be hard since you need to
How many oh my god. Tell me if you see him coming out. I'm looking at the camera. Come on out!
I'm loading.
I don't care!
You will soon. Fine, I'll come out after I'm done loading. Actually, I'm not kidding. I will.
I need some other protection in front of me.
Now, I'll probably use my sniper since that's my best weapon.
Ugh. I'm not ready. There. I'm ready for you!
I am too. There I am.
You can't be just hiding.
Oh, what a shot. Now I'm actually out of ammo. How did I get that shot
Out
on?
of the get out!
Henry, my guns were out of ammo.
Guys, he's totally cheating.
How am I
The
shooting?
saying. He's not in the opening. If you guys think he's not in the opening, then you better like and subscribe. Let me get one good shot on you. Stupid. No.
There's no shooting range. Oh, finally. Nice, right. What's up? Now you're out of ammo.
Stop it! Don't! Time!
Loading.
Second round!
Okay, load your gun.
Second round's gonna be a little different.